up, guys? We back with another video. So we're going to be checking out Nerfguns. My name is D. My other brother name behind the camera is D too. My other brother listens to a song. His name B. So, hey, back. So come over here. So we have a little small pump.
Wait.
No, bro. You already make your own video. Now we're gonna fix all this.
Unless he.
Make your own video or something.
Ah!
Make it in your kitchen, DeAndre.
Single.
Make it on your kitchen.
Wait, that's actually good. Make it on your kitchen.